Kigina kia birioni 2.5 nikio gitumikite gukinyaniria waki wa THITOO ino ya kiriu itura-ini ria TATU City mwena wa Ruiru ni itanyitwo kuhuthika ni makiria ma kambuni 10 kuhehia na kuiga indo iria ithukaga na ihenya na makiria magetha kuma migunda-ini. Makiria ma mawira 1,000 nimo maturitwo ni ukinyaniru wa tabarira ino iria itanyitwo kugacirithia wonjoria na kuongerera utonga wa bururi na gikiro kinene.
We've licensed a total of 43 special economic zones across the country, and we have got over 90 enterprises now fully licensed and operating within some of those zones.
Kenya, for many years, as the world has known, is the hub for East Africa. And Nairobi is the hub for the region, and TATU City has now created a space where you have good logistics, good transport infrastructure, you have the special economic zones benefits, you have a platform that is stable and easy to understand from a regulation aspect in the special economic zone, and that allows companies to come in and use this as a base for their distribution, not just to Kenya, but to the East African region.
Ino ni tabarira irikanite kuhura muhuri wirutiri wa thirikari hari kugucigithia na kugacirithia wonjoria bururi-ini. Ta uria John Mwendwa, uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata wonjoria bururi-ini Ken Invest aratariria.
We are way better than we were 2 years ago. You have all been seeing the improvements. His Excellency the President has reinforced that message. Our macro indicators are looking good. Inflation is stable. Our currency has strengthened. We hope this booming business environment, which we hope is testament to what you're seeing here today, will continue to really herald the new beginning for the investment community.
Mwendwa ritio riri gukoretwo na guoya iganda nyingi bururi-ini guthamira mabururi-ini mangi kumana na guthuka kwa riera ria wonjoria. Indi akauga iganda imwe irahingwo na ingi njeru ikambiriria.
Our narrative should be, as long as we have a good balance between the ones that are setting up and the ones that for one reason or the other may not be able to proceed, we have that balance. But overall, there are many more that are coming, and we continue to be testament to that.
Kwa ihinda riri makiria ma kambuni 100 ni cirarutira wira guku TATU City, makiria ma andu 20,000 makigunikira guku tore Preston Menden horaratariria.
The link at TATU City, which we opened today, represents an investment of $20 million. Over its full phases. It has created over 1,000 jobs to date with the companies that are going in. They have a wide range of industries ranging from the assembly of electronics to beverage production to baked goods and ingredients for baked goods.
Kuma itura-ini ria TATU City Ruiru kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU, ritwa riakwa ni Mathio Ndung'u wa BURURIINI.